guys. Guys, this is really good. This is perfect. The smell of it is really good. It's really nice. It's very pleasant. It's a perfect breakfast. Look at this. Look at this stuff. What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Omar, and this is Huevos. Today is Breakfast Thursday. That means we're gonna be making some breakfast, and we're gonna use this right here. This right here gives it a really good flavor to a Mexican breakfast. So I'm gonna show you how I make breakfast with this. And for this application, we got 4 tomatoes, we got a jalapeno pepper, we got a serrano pepper, we got some onions, and we got some garlic. This is what we want to be using, and the start of the day, the Spam. For this, our tomatoes are just gonna be a whole tomato, just like it is, and we're just gonna cut the tail off of it, just like that. We're gonna take these tomatoes, we're gonna put them on a pan, and we're gonna start frying them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be making a like a tomato sauce. Should turn out really good. We pour a little bit of oil. We're gonna put some black pepper. And we cover it up for a minute. Just put a little bit of water. Next, our onion. We're just gonna do this like this, just like that. And for this onion, this is what we're gonna do. The reason I put the tomatoes in there first is I want the tomatoes to get really soft. We're just gonna smush them here in a little bit. We're making a tomato sauce. That's what we're doing. And then next, I'm gonna throw these onions in there. Just like that. We got the onions ready, and then we got to get our peppers ready too. This here, again, everything is previously washed. For this, we're gonna make them just like this. Just like this. And then this guy, my little serrano friend. Hey, this is a good one. So for this one here, that's about right. We got our garlic. Good. And we're going to throw it in there. Every time I cook, I like to keep my workstation nice and clean. This little baby one right here, we're going to work with this. El caldo de pollo. But that much. And because we put that in there, we don't put any salt in it, just so you know. And I think it's time for a drink. And as always, you know me. If you've been following my channel, you know what I like. This right here. This is what we're looking for. Look at the consistency of these tomatoes. Oh my goodness, this is going to turn out really good. Cheers! Oh, that is so good. Kind of hits the spot. This one is next. So if you don't like this stuff, it's fine. You can always replace it with ham and put some pieces of ham in there. That's fine. But this right here, this is what I like to use for my breakfast. This is what I like. You don't have to use it. But anyway, if you using this, open it up, get that stuff out, and get all that jelly that is around the stuff, get it out. You just clean it completely. Get it all cleaned up. Wash it really nice, and then bring it back to your table and chop it up in little pieces. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. See, all of them, they're all like this. So, there you go. It's been released. So, now we're just gonna wash it, clean it really good. Get all the jelly out of it. And here we go. That's a nice, good piece of ham. Some people will argue, it's not ham. It's something else. Who cares? It tastes good. That's all that matters. Have you been at McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's, Chipotle's, and all those places like that will sell you fast food? Do you really think it's really good food? It's not. This, at least you know exactly what you're putting on your breakfast. At least you know what you're eating. You know, I'm just saying. Anyway, this breakfast is gonna turn really good. Let's do this ham. So what I do is like this, and then we make it like this. Watch this. Since it's just gonna be me, myself, and I only, nobody else. My wife is not here right now. I'm gonna say half for another day. So, but the one that we are going to do, we're going to do it like this. See that? So what you do now is you're gonna make a small squares, real small square pieces, okay? Just like this. Look at that. It is perfect. I love it. Now, next up, the smasher. Anyway, this is next, and this is what we're going to do. Watch this. Oh my goodness, look at all those. Look at all this right here. Look at all these tomatoes. Oh my god, this is a really nice sauce right here. You guys have no idea what we're creating right now. You guys, it smells good. And it's just tomatoes and garlic and a little bit of black pepper. That's all it is. One tip for the day: if you kind of like burn the black pepper just for a little bit with the tomatoes in it and the garlic, it's gonna turn out really good. It gives it a really good kick and a really good flavor. So this, what we're doing here is instead of using tomato paste, the stuff that you sell you in a can, we're just making it ourselves. No preservatives. Hey, it happens sometimes, okay? Don't judge me. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this tomato sauce. This is really good. What do you think we're gonna do next? Exactly, you guessed it. We're gonna throw all of our stuff inside. Our peppers, onions. And before we put the ham in there, we're gonna let it cook for a little bit. Just like that. We close it, and now we wait. And while we're waiting, we hydrate. Somebody said that on the comments. While we're waiting, we hydrate. Well, that's what we're doing. We're hydrating right now. Oh my goodness. I got a question. This spoon right here. Do you remember your grandmother using one of this in the back of your head every time you misbehave? Because I remember walking around or running around the kitchen or something like that. My grandma just turned around with that spoon in her hand and it just went whack in the back of the head. I still remember. We probably got the spoon somewhere. It feels like it was just yesterday. Guys, I'm 47 years old and it feels like it was just yesterday when I was running around like full all over the kitchen, all over the living room, and making a fool of myself and my grandma. One of this. Whack! Right in the back of the head. Also, guys, just so you know, I do read all your comments. Every comment that you put in there, I will read it. I guess on my last video, you guys had a little bit of problem trying to listen to me while the music was playing in the background. Let me answer that real quick. In my editor, everything was fine. All that music and everything. I haven't changed anything because it's a template that I use over and over for this, okay? So it was fine. It was doing really good. The problem was YouTube enhanced the sound of the music That was the problem. Do me a favor, next time something like that happens, go to your settings right down below. Go to your settings on YouTube. Go to your settings on YouTube. Click that little sprocket in there, okay? Just click that. When you go to there, it's gonna open up a window, and it's gonna show you right up on top. It's gonna show you the audio. Right down the audio. You click on it, and then it's gonna tell you if you want to enhance the voice and turn down the music. You can do that. You got the power to do that. Okay, just so you know, just giving you some pointers. But on my end, I'm gonna be working on this so this won't happen again. Okay, I'm trying to make these videos better and more enjoyable for you, so you can enjoy these videos to the fullest. There you go. And thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for putting up with me. Ham goes next. You know what? I was just gonna use half of the ham. I'm just gonna throw it all in there. It's turning out really, really good. It's a really, really nice flavor, really, really good flavor. I recommend you try this. Now, this is the time when, if you want to add just a little bit of ketchup to that, you can put some. Ketchup is really, really good with that, if you want to add some. Me, I prefer just like that because it conserves the flavor of everything and it turns out really, really good. Some people will add ketchup to that, or some people will add it later. I don't. Just letting you know. And then we hydrate. Oh my goodness, this is so good. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna cook some eggs. We're gonna put some tortillas and we're gonna warm it up. Just so you know, this video with the spam, somebody requested this video. Somebody say, hey, can you make something, some Mexican breakfast with a spam? If you're craving for something, for some Mexican breakfast, and you know what it is and you don't know how to make it, or you just want to know how I make it, just post it in the comments. I'll read the comments. And last thing you know, we'll be making a video, okay? If you go to the comment section and just scroll down, you're gonna see in there that I answer every single one of your comments. If I miss any of them, I am so sorry if I do. But I'm trying to answer every one of your comments, and I try to read every single one of your comments, okay? Just so you know. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this stuff right here. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this, guys. This turned out really, oh my God. The smell of it is really, really good. It's really nice. It's very pleasant just smelling this. Wow, it's really, really good. So, now what we're going to do, I got 2 eggs in here. And we want to put this right over the eggs. Watch this. Did that? And with some tortillas, just like this. Let me show you something. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that egg. Oh wow. Look at these eggs. Oh my God. Look at that. What I do with my tortilla, and we just roll it over like this. Just like that. Oh my God. This is the perfect breakfast, guys. What's this? Oh, my mouth is already watered. Alright. Wow! If you haven't tried that, it's a simple breakfast. Now this thing is hot because I put the serrano pepper in there, but it doesn't matter. Guys, this is really, really good. This is perfect. It's a perfect breakfast. Look at this. Look at this stuff. That is really, really good. Oh my God. It is really good, guys. This is a perfect breakfast. I got no words. Look at that. What can I say? You know, I like to cook, and I cook really, really good. Spicy? Yes, it is spicy. That serrano pepper is kicking really, really good. It's making me sweat right now. But it's tasty, full of flavor. Don't buy the tomato sauce, dude, guys. Don't buy that. Don't buy that. Make your own tomato sauce, just like that. It's easy. It's really, really easy to make, and I gotta tell you, it's full of flavor. Guys, I hope that you really enjoy this channel. I hope that you enjoy the food. I hope that you enjoy the cooking. This is all I got for you today. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for the comments. Those lovely comments. Keep them coming. I love it. Like I said, I read every single one of those comments, guys. Please like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. It's free. It's free, guys. Subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.